Hello guys, we are again in live trading with 3 expert advisors, all renewed, updated. One of them is Turbo Hybrid V2 optimized version. You see in live action REACTOR SCALPER, and we have new one opened recently, Euro Swiss franc with new MS-16 trader V2 and Euro UAD. Oh, Turbo Hybrid opened another trade live just a few seconds ago. So this is all existing products, but all V2 version. So new generation of the same product we have on my web page. So if you go to my web page, you would see that altogether all three are over 700, almost 750-60 euros. I said in previous video, you see it is going in the money. Turbo Hybrid is doing the job. It is a fantastic combination of two strategies indicators inside based on Turbo Hybrid V1 indicator. So if you go to my web page, you would see that all these are over 250-60 euros. Turbo Hybrid is here. I will change it. So only this one is 267. 3 of them are 700 and something. In previous video I gave you some special possibility if you want to get at better price if you contact me. So it is, I will say, if you contact me, depending who are you, you can get all free guys, not just one, all free, depending who are you, between 79 to 99 euros. So if you are my subscriber and my customer from before, you will get this. If you are new, very new customer, you will get this. So, and between. So for all free, fantastic, new updated versions of the free expert advices. Turbo Hybrid, REACTOR SCALPER here, and Turbo Hybrid and MS-16 trader. I'm pretty sure it would be going, it should go to the profit here. So be quick, this offer is valid today only. So here it is 6 p.m. so next 6 hours, if you like it, contact me. We'll talk about the price for all of these free. Even I have option maybe if you want only 2. So this is maybe the option. We have triple package now in the offer. So also later, if I will have, I will make another video about Turbo Signal EAV2, because the great interest is here, or I can but no, I will wait for some signal and then I will come back. Have a nice day guys, bye bye.